Machine instruction manual, data cable, small wrench, nozzle. 1. Install nozzle. Ensure machine level. 2. Turn on the power. Turn on the centering instrument. Indicator light flashing. 3. Click the Z-axis descent button to bring the nozzle closer to the centering instrument. 4. Move the X and Y axis to align the red light with the centering instrument's aperture. 5. Open the centering lens cover. 6. Link to the centering instrument application. Seven. Click on the first step, capture nozzle. Turn off the red light and move the nozzle up and down. 8. Click on step 2, adjust red light. Turn on the red light. 9. Click on step 3, coaxial manual tuning. Adjust the center adjustment screws on both the left and right sides too. Move the position of the light spot. Click step 4 to close the camera.